How to easily disinfect the tongue naturally with only one ingredient. Tongue cleaning has been practiced in the Eastern world for hundreds of years. Studies suggest that cleaning your tongue regularly can reduce unwanted mouth bacteria that can lead to bad breath, coated tongue, plaque buildup, and other oral health conditions. Both tongue scrapers and toothbrushes can eliminate bacteria on the tongue, but most studies have found that using a tongue scraper is more effective than using a toothbrush. However, there are 3 ingredients, using which one will forget about scrapers and toothbrushes as they are not always gentle and can injure the tongue. Mint. Well, this is an ingredient you will find in most of the oral products because of its disinfectant and antibacterial properties. Add 10 leaves of fresh mint to a cup of boiling water. Let it cool down and filter to remove the leaves. Use this minty water as a mouthwash after brushing as a great tongue cleanser. Hydrogen peroxide. This is often used to disinfect the tongue. Mix 250 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide in a liter of water. Use the solution to do a mouthwash every night before going to bed. You will be pleasantly surprised to see your tongue in the morning and how fresh you feel. Parsley. Parsley has traditionally been used in the Mediterranean region for toothaches, odor, bruises, insect bites, and rough skin. Add a handful of cleaned parsley leaves in half cup of boiling water. Let it cool down and filter to remove the leaves. Use this solution as a mouthwash after brushing as a great tongue cleanser. Maintaining oral hygiene is important not only for good health but also to have a great love life as well. As you have come this far, please check out a priceless book on remedy in the link to the description below. Thanks for watching.